Hi, this is John with WTI. And right here, I got here with me my Sean John Unforgivable little option. This perfume is great for the night. And one of the things that I like the most from it is just like how it's just directly goes straight. It's powerful. It has this big fragrance that everybody around you that's gonna smell this one is gonna be like, a guy just passed over this. So, and the fact that this is convenient for me, this is like the little option, the little version that I can put this in any part of my car. Just put this in the front part. So even if I'm trying to go to a place, I just grab a couple of and I'm ready to go. This is a long-lasting, powerful fragrance that once you wear this, you cannot be called a kid. You gotta be a man to wear this. So this was John with WTI. And that was my point of view.